Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I was gifted a lovely box from Red Velvet NYC where they provide all of the ingredients packaged up nicely in little plastic baggies so you don't have to do any of the measuring. This recipe in particular is lime bars with a graham cracker crust, which I believe in reading all the ingredients is really going to turn into a custard lime on top of this graham cracker bars, which are going to be so delicious. So let's give it a try and see if getting these ingredients prepackaged to you works just as well as making your own. I really think it will, but let's give it a try. I'm also making it because if I could put lime bars in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is eat them for days and months and years, and then I won't share them with you. That's not very nice, but it might be the truth because I might eat them all. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get a 9x9 or 8x8 pan ready to go and grease the sides with some of that olive oil that it came with. Graham cracker crumbs, sugar, salt, extra virgin olive oil, an interesting add-on instead of butter. Mix together until it looks like wet sand. Add to your prepared pan. Press it down with a measuring cup, or you could use a heavy-bottomed glass. But you want to make sure that you have a nice even layer best as possible. Into the oven for 10 minutes, and while it's in the oven, we'll make our custard layer. Granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, whisk together. Zest from 3 limes. Whisk again until evenly distributed. 4 eggs. Mix to combine, but not too much, just so that it's all mixed together. You don't want to add in too much air. Juice from 3 limes and 1 lemon. Time to take it out. Ooh, looks great, smells great. We're gonna add the custard on top right now. Pour it on that hot crust. You can hear it sizzle. Back into the oven for 16 to 18 minutes. It looks done. You're looking for it to be set around the edges and then slightly jiggly in the middle, which it is. Perfect. Let it cool to room temperature for about 30 minutes and then in the refrigerator for about 2 hours or even overnight. Yes, you can make this the night before. Into the refrigerator for 2 hours because I can't wait. All right, it is nice and cold. I'm gonna loosen it a little bit with this knife, just carefully, ever so carefully. Okay, these look delicious. I think they probably could have used a little bit longer than 2 hours in the refrigerator, but they smell fantastic and they look great too. You can see the graham cracker crust and that lime filling and then the confectioner sugar on top. So let's taste it. This definitely tastes like key lime pie, but in a small bite form. This is really, really delicious. Great job, Red Velvet. Thank you. If I can test out this recipe from Red Velvet, you can make any recipe yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, send me your recipe requests or any other thing that you'd like me to try or songs. I'm waiting on those song requests. Check me out on Instagram.